Hello world, here Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and we are back with our online trading sessions, and this is the session when we are trading financial instruments, financial tools that are called technical indicators. And so exactly we have entered the market with this particular fall, and we are trading against the trading direction. And this is why, what I have done right now, I have made a rollover, so I have added some additional time to my trade, so to be exactly to minimize the risk for my trades and to see if it really gonna go the direction which we are waiting for. And so right now what we are doing, we are waiting for this particular currency pair. We are trading United States dollar and Swiss franc, and waiting for the trade to expire. And you can see that the market is trying to push the price up, and this is what we definitely need in our trading session. And you will see right now that the price is gonna go up, and here we go. You can see that the trade is opened right in here, so on the bottom of your screen. As you know, I'm trading with several brokers, and you will see in my several videos different brokers, but right now I'm trading with IQCENT, and this is what we were waiting for. So the price is up a lot, and this is the time to start trading the opposite direction. So this is a rollover after some move down, but we can really see that the move down was so hard and so stable that we need to understand that probably the move will continue. So if you don't really understand what I'm doing, if you do really have any questions about the trading and how the trading should be organized, so please contact me. The links for the Facebook and Instagram are below. I will be glad to answer any of your questions free of charge, and definitely I will give you some nice and great tips for your trading. And this is what we have gained from this particular situation. And let's find some higher moment and open the trade. Let's go. So we are trading. So after some rollover, this one we have traded in here. We are definitely waiting for the move back, and the downtrend will continue. And as you can see, so on the bottom of your screen, we are on the border a little bit risky. However, you will see that it will go down much more stable, and a little bit risky, as it is always on weekends. So if you have any questions, when should we trade on weekends or on weekdays? And so the third trade is successfully won, and we got the profit. So if you have any questions, when to trade, what to trade, once again, give me a message. The links for the Facebook and Instagram are below. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. I'm answering everything just personally. And so probably we will stop. Oh no, the situation is changing a little bit, and I would catch one more trade in this situation. So you can see that the rollover is continuing, and definitely we can do some bigger trade in this situation. Yes, I will put $20,000 euro trade in this situation, and let's wait for the trade to expire. Yes, this trade, with this particular trade for 3,000, it could be lost, but it's not kind of a problem. Yes, it is lost, but it's not kind of a problem because we have reached some nice and smooth level with this rollover, and the price is moving down, and we will get some perfect profit in this with this particular situation, because I'm sorry. I'm sorry, talking is never easy. Yes, we got the profit, and that was just a perfect moment for us. So once again, if you have any questions about the trading is easy, really, if you really follow some rules of money management, of risk management, and exact strategies. There are just few strategies that are working, so it's easy to learn them, and you can really become more or less stable trader in just a couple of hours. But the main idea is self-control and following the exact rules and strategies. Thank you so much for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you, and if you have any questions, give me a message. The links for the Facebook are below. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. If I'm not answering, so I have lots of requests, but I will give an answer to any of your questions. That's my fun and my hobby, and thank you so much for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. Thank you.